working on a Frigidaire freezer, and the actual complaint actually is just the handle. Now, if your handle is shaking like this, see that? So we have a set of screws. There's a set screws, and also if you see the screws should be on this side, okay, where it's not noticeable. So this was installed incorrectly, so we're gonna fix that. Allen screw, make sure it fits in there, and they're little set screws, and you unscrew until it releases. And it's better to start with the bottom first, and that protects the top when it falls. So just unscrew, see, that's off, and now you have the top one to deal with. And if you're pretty good or careful, you can actually hold it with this as well. But just keep trying it, keep loosening until it's free, and there she is. Nice and snug. Do not over tighten. Okay, over tighten it and then you're gonna have problems. Okay, nice and snug. All right, now we come to the bottom. Excuse me. All right, guys, I think that's nice and tight. Look at that. Now you can open. Super strong. We're gonna get this guy put up, and he's ready for delivery. All right. Thanks for watching.